So come with me on a magical journey to some waterfalls here in Maui. I've been staying at the Maui Eco Retreat now for about 2 weeks. I'm helping them with gardening and social media. I'm staying for free and I donate my time about 30 hours a week. It's an awesome experience. I've learned so much. I'm staying with two very spiritual, powerful people. Their names are Raphael and Katira. And they have been living here on this land since about 1985. They run different shamanic ceremonies and retreats. They do a lot of energy healing. They teach yoga. They also go to other places in the world like Bhutan. So it's a very magical place to be. I'm with very spiritually powerful people. Throughout the land, you see lots of statues, lots of diversity. Every tree has a different fruit or just different things like that. So where I'm going right now, these waterfalls, they're actually private. You can see this right here. So cool things all around. These waterfalls are very significant to the ancient Hawaiian community. A lot of people have come to these waterfalls to be healed in the water. They offer just a very nice, pleasant, refreshing feeling when you jump in them. There's also a very deep well. I don't really know how deep it goes, but some people who have dived down have not found the bottom. So I'll point that out to you. The trail I'm walking on now is just full of lush life. These are guava trees. I don't even know what half of these plants are, and I've taken botany courses in college. These are some sort of a cycad. It's just so lush. This mushroom growing on the tree here. I've been learning a lot about meditation while I've been studying here with Raphael. He's taught me in the yoga temple, and we kind of just sit there and he asks me what I would like to work on, and then he kind of just goes through this 1 hour session of all these different techniques and methods. Not only just sitting there meditating, but we're also doing energy work. We're laying on these mats. So I'll be showing you guys more of that in the future. Because my goal is to become a holistic healer as well. And so in order to do that, I just place myself in these really special magical places, and more or less I'm just following my heart's journey. And Raphael has just years and years of experience. He's 76 now, and so I hope to help him transition. He might have some trouble with YouTube and things, but he's just full of knowledge. So it's really important for me to kind of help him put himself out there more. He has a couple YouTube videos, but they might be a little bit hard to watch, so I'm gonna work on that with him. Right now I'm walking down this trail. As you can see, it's pretty steep. It's more like stairs with these rocks. These ropes are starting to get frayed a little bit, so I'm gonna help them replace these ropes as well during my 30 hours of volunteering throughout the weeks. I was working on a zip line before here in Maui in the Lahaina area. It was really cool. I enjoyed it. The zip line was fun. I did it a lot. I was training to become a guide. But something just wasn't quite adding up for me there. And I think that was just my own higher self telling me that, yeah, I can be a zipline guide in Maui, but aren't you supposed to be studying holistic medicine, and aren't you supposed to be practicing to become a healer yourself? And my higher self wouldn't let me, in a way, commit to something that's not right for me. So I had this realization that I wasn't supposed to be a zipline guide, and I told my manager and stuff that I'd be leaving, and I was a little bit lost at the time. I mean, this was only like 3 or 4 weeks ago. So luckily I found this eco retreat, and I reached out to them, and they were so accommodating. They picked me up from Kahului here in Maui, which is like where the airport is and stuff. And I've been here ever since. I feel much more at home. I feel like I'm following my personal legend. Okay, so I'm at the waterfalls now. You can see. It's beautiful. That's the pond that is so deep you can't really see the bottom. Looks like there's some people down there. So we'll go to this one first. And then this pond right here leads to one up here, which is a little more mellow. There's more like algae and stuff though up here. So I like the one down here because it's more clean, it seems. A whole bunch of people live around here. It's just like a interesting area here in Haiku, Maui. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my feet in for a minute. I have my swimsuit on. Just need to find a perfect place to jump in. See how clear it is today. Looks pretty good. Some fishies in there. So absolutely beautiful. Let's get in. Woo. Beautiful. Wow. There's only one way to really show you how magical this place is, and that's to take you with me. So we're gonna jump in. I don't really care if my phone gets ruined. This place is too magical not to bring my phone with me. So, ready? I wish you could smell how clean this air is. It's so awesome. It's super deep. Can't really see anything. Woo! Woo! Alright, let's go for some more swimmies. area. And I just wanted to bring you over here to show you how special this place is. So this is how we get back up. Have these ropes. Currently I'm barefoot. I'm gonna go get my sandals. You can see it just kind of has these ledges and rocks and precarious steps.